Hello friends, welcome to the fourth episode of 10 in 1 from Borix Medica, cherry picked by Friend of Health. Through this playlist named Cherry Picked by Friend of Health, we will be presenting before you 100 drugs from Borix Medica within 10 days. Each episode will carry 10 drugs. These drugs will come to use in homeopathy only based on its homeopathicity or the homeopathic specific indications. Many a times in cases we have seen, before giving a polycus remedy, we may have to give a remedy which can make the patient ready for receiving a polycus remedy. In such times we will be able to use these remedies which will be presented by Cherry Picked by Friend of Health. And in competitive examinations of homeopathy, we have seen questions from these drugs. We would like to listen your comments, feedbacks and suggestions so that we can improve our presentation. Thank you. Acts on the cardiopulmonary distribution of the pneumogastric in dry catarrh. Pain in eyeballs running back to brain, worse moving eyes. An efficacious remedy for wheezing and oppression in bronchitic patients. The sibilant rails are disseminated with foamy mucus, very difficult to detach. Acts on the pulmonary circulation. Asthma with profuse tenacious expectoration, which relieves. Stops breathing when falling asleep, wakes with a start, and gasps for breath. Must sit up to breathe. Cannot breathe when lying down. Grindelia robusta, rosinwood. An East Indian drug useful in urinary affections, especially dysuria, and in debilitated states of the sexual organs, as expressed in seminal weakness, ready emissions and impoverished semen. Prostatitis, calculous affections and sexual neurasthenia. Partial impotence caused by overindulgence of advancing age or when accompanied by urinary symptoms, incontinence, painful micturition, etc. Tribulus terrestris, Ikshugandha. A relaxed condition of the system generally and a proneness to take cold on exposure to cold winds. Catarrhal conditions, obstruction of nostrils. Adenoids, throat deafness, enlarged tonsils. Throat and ear troubles with tendency to free discharge from mucous membranes. Mutinism of childhood unconnected with deafness. Agraphis nutans, bluebell. Marked symptoms of rheumatism and influenza. Severe aching pains all over body. Pains left after influenza. Hay fever with marked aggravation from breathing the least dust. Profuse watery coryza, drops down throat. Itching in anterior chamber, worse breathing any dust, better indoors. Sharp pain in right deltoid and pectoralis muscles. Pain deep in middle of right arm. Rheumatic pain in right elbow and wrist and hands of both sides. Tingling along right ulnar nerve. Lycopersicum esculentum, Solanum lycopersicum, tomato. Eruption on scalp, humid fetid spots behind ears. Corrosive itching on forehead and edge of hair, worse heat. Can see objects only when looking at them sideways, Sensation as if eyes were drawn back into the head. Canine hunger with hurried eating without appetite. Undigested feces. Stool passes when emitting flatus. Very sensitive skin. Slightest friction causes soreness and chapping. Violent itching eruption. Bleeding, oozing, want of perspiration. Worse undressing, rust, friction of clothes. Oleander, rose laurel, Nerium odorum. A vascular stimulant increases functional activity of the skin, mucous membranes. Of use in dropsy due to liver and spleen diseases, also renal dropsy. Here the suppressed urination is most favorably influenced. General anasarca due to heart and kidney disease. A prompt diuretic. Liatris spicata, colic root. Marked female symptoms and backache, a remedy for uterine displacements. Intense sweat from slightest exertion. Disgusting dreams. Sensation as if whole body were made of jelly. Burning in right ovary, gushing leukorrhea. After menses, yellow leukorrhea with severe backache. When pain in back ceases, the discharge gushes out. Cramps in the calves, worse at night. Eupaeonum, wood tar distillation. Catarrhal symptoms, especially of the respiratory tract, and distinct eye symptoms of a paralytic type are more characteristic. Hyperphoria, better by bending head backwards, acts on the rectus superior. Opacities of the vitreous humor, promotes absorption of fragments of lens after operation. Cough often ends in a sneeze, rattling in chest. Difficult raising of tough profuse mucus in the aged. Asthenic bronchitis of old people with chronic interstitial nephritis or chronic emphysema. Old asthmatics with congestive attacks. Exudations in pleura. Hydrothorax. Pressure on chest as though lungs were forced back to spine. Worse, walking in open air during rest. Better from sweat, bending head backwards. Senega, snakewort. The action of this drug is centered in the liver and portal system, causing soreness, pain, jaundice. Abuse of alcoholic beverages, especially beer, gallstone disease with enlarged liver. Nausea, retching, vomiting of green acid fluid. Stitches in left side of stomach near spleen. Constipation, stools hard, difficult, knotty, alternates with diarrhea. Stools bright yellow. Swelling of gallbladder with painful tenderness. Urine cloudy, golden colored. Profuse diarrhea due to rectal cancer. 10 drops doses. Cardus marianus, St. Mary's thistle. Has marked effects on the throat and has proven an excellent remedy in pharyngitis, especially the follicular form. Irritable throats of singers and public speakers, hay fever symptoms, itching in posterior nares. Dry hacking cough caused by tickling of the epiglottis. Pain in uterus could outline its condor. Fever, chill at 11 am. Thirst for ice water during chill. No thirst with heat. Profuse sweat all night. terrific headache during sweat. Vitia helenios, poison weed. Thank you for watching. For those who missed the previous 3 episodes, kindly visit the playlist Cherry Picked by Friend of Health. Give your suggestions and valuable feedbacks so that we can improve.